Hi, let us understand the combination of Jupiter in the sixth house. Is Jupiter in the sixth house a positive combination or the negative combination? As I already told you, no other combination in the birth chart is positive or negative. It is just how you have to channelize the Jupiter or any planet energies in the right direction. Before we understand this combination of Jupiter in the sixth house, you need to first understand what exactly the sixth house is all about and what is Jupiter all about. Jupiter is a planet of knowledge, wisdom, luck, ancestors, and your past life curses and the blessings. On the other side, sixth house, which is connected to your daily life problem, laziness, strength, how much hard work you are going to put, and overall, your daily work, your daily activities, like your health related problem, like legal issues, loans and debts. If you have given money to someone, will you able to get your money back or not? That can be seen from the sixth house. So now what happened when Jupiter sits in the sixth house? So first thing, it is very clear, Jupiter, which is a planet of knowledge, wisdom, blessings of the ancestors, is sitting in the sixth house, which is a house of your daily life problem. So first, make it clear that Jupiter in the sixth house means that you have some curses from the past life related to the Jupiter that you have to pay in this particular life. Second, that you have some ancestor curse, due to which it has been said that a Jupiter in the sixth house, a child having Jupiter in the sixth house means the child being not born in the right time. These child have a karmic relationship with their parents. Not only this, even going after when they have a children, then their children will also have a karmic relationship with them. But can we stop here? No. How you need to channelize the energies of Jupiter in the sixth house to overcome the curses in this life. First thing that you have to understand, that you have taken a birth on this earth with some positive and negative karma, and that is the reason you are here. If you have just done the positive karma, so for sure we will not come back on this earth. So you have come on this earth with both the karmas together, positive and the negative. So now what is the purpose of your life? So the purpose of your life is to, you have to burn your negative karmas and you have to enjoy your positive karmas, and that is what becomes your life purpose. At the end, when you want to prepare for the liberation and you want to make your soul free, at that time you have to burn both your karmas, positive and negative. When you burn both your positive and negative karma, that means now your soul is ready for the freedom, and that is what called the liberation. So coming back to the Jupiter in the sixth house. So now the Jupiter in the sixth house, as the sixth house is the house of the problems, competition, your daily life problem, health related problem, and Jupiter, which is a planet of luck, expansion, is sitting there in the sixth house. So now Jupiter in the sixth house is a problem that has been understood, like luck will not be your side. You have to go through a lot of challenges, lot of problems in your life to get appreciation of your hard work. But how you can solve this problem of Jupiter in the sixth house? So this is a daily life problem. Otherwise, the karmic planets or the malefic planets like Saturn, Mars, these planets work good in the sixth house. And what is the reason behind it? Let's say Saturn sitting in the sixth house. This is a good house. Saturn placement in the sixth house seems like a good placement. Why? Because Saturn is a malefic planet which is there to put you a pressure to do the hard work. So in your daily life problem, we want some push in your life so that you put the hard work. Now Jupiter sitting in your sixth house, person will be lazy. Person will try to delay its work by its own. That is, you have to break the pattern. You have to put lot of hard work. But where the hard work need to be there? In the terms of knowledge and wisdom. So if any fight happened in your daily life, you can't fight happen and you have a Jupiter in the sixth house, you can't go and fight with you can go and fight physically, because Jupiter is a planet which is connected to the guru. So now how you can fight with your daily life problem? With the help of knowledge and wisdom. So the one very good remedy, when Jupiter sits in the sixth house, you need to gain more knowledge and wisdom. As much as knowledge and wisdom you have, because sixth house also represent your daily work. So more the knowledge and wisdom you have, and you are going to share that knowledge and wisdom with others, you will notice Jupiter sitting there will start giving you the positive results. Otherwise, Jupiter in the sixth house will be giving problems in overall your life. You will face problem in expansion of your family, getting married to the right person. First, you will face problem in getting married. Second, you will face problem in conceiving a child. Third, you will face problem from the child side. Fourth, you will face a problem in any type of expansion happening in your life. Like you want a financial expansion, there also you are going to face the problem. Now, how you will be able to overcome the curse of Jupiter in the sixth house. Start gaining knowledge and wisdom. Start learning. The best is, if you should start learning anything which is connected to the Shastra. You should learn astrology. You should have a knowledge and wisdom, because Jupiter in the sixth house, people can become a good astrologer or a good counselor too, if they are gaining the knowledge and wisdom in the right direction. Why? Because you already have a curses of the Jupiter. If you don't have a knowledge and wisdom and then you are giving knowledge and wisdom to others, that means you're adding more curses in your life. So Jupiter in the sixth house, and you want this Jupiter in the sixth house to give you the positive results, and that curses pattern of the generations should be break. Then make sure that you are gaining the knowledge and wisdom, become expert in your knowledge and wisdom, and start giving knowledge and wisdom. So Jupiter in the sixth house can become a good counselor, chartered account, astrologer, healer, and the person can become a good teacher and guru too. So you need to understand that Jupiter in the sixth house, you have the curses, but in this life, you have taken a birth on this earth to pay off that rin. And how to pay off that rin? Gain knowledge and wisdom and start giving good knowledge and wisdom to people. Make sure that you are never disrespecting your teachers or guru. You already have a rin which is connected to the teachers and guru. So if you find some reliable teacher and guru, and make sure that on the regular basis you are taking the blessings of your teacher and guru, this will help you out to overcome the curses which is there stored in the sixth house Jupiter. What all remedies you have to do to make your Jupiter sixth house a positive in your favor? Make sure on the regular basis you are feeding cows bananas. Do the Ekadashi fasting. Ekadashi comes twice in every month. Try to do at least 16, 17 fasting in a year. This will help you out to overcome the curses related to the Jupiter. And if possible, then try to make a right guru, and or any step you are going to take in your life, make sure that you are counseling, you are connecting to your guru, asking them, is this a right step or not, taking the right knowledge and wisdom from your guru, and then start applying that knowledge and wisdom in your life. This is how you will be able to break the pattern of the generation curses which has been stored in the Jupiter in the sixth house. So you need to understand, no other planet sitting in your birth chart is good or bad. Every other planet has some energies. If it is sitting in that house, you have to just understand what that planet wants you to do. If you started working for that planet, you will notice, you will started growing, and you will see a huge success in life. Har Har Mahadev.